We have had some really, really nice temperatures lately. Very mild. And then this morning, I have had to put de-icer on the rear window of my car. Actual de-icer. To get rid of ice. Not the thick stuff. Not the stuff that, you have to remove with a chisel and a hammer. Not that. But still ice. Oh, hang on, what's that? What's happening there? Still ice though. No es bueno, man. So I was a little bit later than normal picking Jess up. Still early, but a bit later than normal, so she was panicking. Where are you? I'm outside your house. Really? Yeah. You recognise that by the fact that I'm outside your house? But I was wondering last night, I thought, why is my room all of a sudden a little bit colder than normal? And then I found out this morning, I had left the window open, just that much. Just a smidge. But enough to make it a little bit cooler than it would have been otherwise. So we can safely say we are definitely right in the heart of autumn. Does autumn have a heart? Or is winter the heartless thing? The heartless beast? Well, we've just been talking about how quiet the roads are. And then all of a sudden, it's not. Oh, balls to it. Can't get across there. Too much traffic. My daughter lives near a school and there was virtually nothing around there. Normally this time of the morning there's cars everywhere. So we were wondering if there was an inset day or something like that. Evidently not, as there's now kids everywhere and traffic everywhere. Bedlam trying to get out of dropping my daughter off as well. Mums and dads dropping kids off at the nursery. Mondo Bizarro, dude. And now there's loads of cars. Not exaggerating, there must be at least 6.3 billion cars here now. There or thereabouts. Mad, just 5 or 10 minutes makes all the difference. It's cray. I need to sort out my vent mounts for the phone and the camera and what have you. And also order a new vent because one of the ribs, is it a rib? The slats, snapped yesterday. So I'll see if I can find one on eBay. Wonder how difficult they are to put in. I think they should be straightforward, shouldn't they? I hope. The car stuff should be arriving tomorrow. That cost enough, hasn't it? Give Ian a text in a bit and see, just let him know that it's arriving tomorrow. When can you fit me in? He's a busy boy. Which is a good sign, isn't it? If you've got a mechanic and they're never busy, why? And then on the flip side, when they're always busy, you know why. Because they're good at what they do. Jeez man, this sun is ridiculous. That would have helped, wouldn't it? Use the actual visor to get the sun out your eyes. Yeah, can't wait to get it done. Just so it's out the way and I know it's safe. And then fingers crossed, thumbs held, whatever else. Nothing else happens to this car for a while at least. It's had a service, doesn't need another one for another year. It will have had everything else done to it that it needs at this moment in time. Let not the engine explode, nor parts of the suspension fall off. I've had enough of spending money. There we go, more chaos. There's not even a school near here. Why is it so busy? There is a road closed. That would explain a lot, wouldn't it? Yeah, this is bizarre today. I'm up most mornings fairly early. It's not been like this. Not since about March, I don't think. Very chilly vanilla. And yet it's going to be nice later on. It's one of the problems of, I would say, autumn and spring in the UK. You genuinely don't know what kind of day it's going to be. And sometimes it's all kinds of days at once. You'll start off like this morning, where it is, well, it was 3 degrees this morning, which is enough to get ice on the back of the car. Quite chilly, you have to put loads of clothes on. By the midday it's going to be about 13, 14 degrees, which is t-shirt and shorts weather. It's sunny, it's dry, it could rain later, could snow. Just never know. When you leave the house, you've got to take with you waterproofs, sunscreen, a floppy hat, mittens, snow boots, everything. In a huge rucksack. Oh, yellow buzz. It's a buzz, but it's yellow. This goes all the way from Bayars to pretty much outside where my daughter works. Which is why we shout yellow buzz of a morning when we see it. You know. Stressed parents don't help themselves, do they? Driving like lunatics. Therefore, I shall be the bigger man and just chill. It's alright. No one crashed into each other, no one got hurt, no one lost an eyeball. Get on with it. Hi honey, I'm home.